Hello, welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Michelle. Now, Michelle is giving her 2 cents on the Carter family and what has been going on the social media. Now, this is the first time that I'm, posting something on this issue, but here we go. This is Michelle with her 2 cents on this. So go ahead and watch the video to see what she's saying, get an understanding of what she's saying, and remember to have a wonderful day today.
All right, like we're just real quick. Today is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day. But you see, before I go about and start my day, I just want to have a quick conversation. There's this story, right, floating around on social media, and it involves the Carters and this young lady who was having an affair with the husband of the Carter family. I don't get involved in people's marriages, so I won't speak on their marriage. They have to decide what they want to do after this whole scandal. I'm not here to judge anyone. I'm a married woman myself, so that's why I always say I don't discuss married people business. But why I'm doing this video this morning, I do not want anybody to be running around on the internet blaming this young lady. I refuse to sit here as a wife and let people on the internet drag this young lady left and right. Right? I refuse to sit back and let you guys bash this young lady, saying that, she's a home wrecker. Right? Saying that she's a prostitute. She's an OnlyFans person. Right? She's no good and she's no. I refuse. This young lady, she doesn't owe the wife anything. She doesn't owe the husband anything. The only thing that this young lady owes to herself was self-respect. To not go there. The person who we should be having a go at is the husband. It is the onus of the husband to protect his wife. He made those vows. It is his duty, his obligation, his loyalty to his wife to be faithful. You hear what I'm saying? So don't you dare drag this young lady. Don't you dare do it. It's not fair. It is not fair. Yes, I understand that some girls, when they see a family man and they see that, they're happy, right? They're getting on with their life, and they will come and they will try to, push themselves in, nuff up themselves in. You understand? Try to entice them. I know that happens at times. But most, 3/4 of the time, it is the man that goes out there and seek the attention of these young girls. It is the man. Do not blame this young lady. The thing is, what you men fail to understand is that when you go outside and you start these relationships with these young girls, you fail to understand that they've got feelings. And when they start falling in love with you, they want more than just a fling. They want more than just the girl on the side. They want to maybe be the main girl because they're looking at what you have and they're saying, wow, I want that for myself. When can you come? When can I have you? That's what you fail to understand. You're going there not thinking with this. You're thinking with this. You understand? And danger lurks around the corner because you see, when that woman is hurt and she's upset and she cannot get what she wants, she's coming after you. You cannot blame her. She's got feelings. I am a wife. I have a child for a married man. Right? She's 23 years old now. And I've spoken to the other woman. I understand. You hear what I'm saying? I understand. I've heard from the other woman's perspective. I know how the other woman feels. I know the things that my husband, or should I say, no, my partner at the time, because we wasn't married, said to that woman. These women, they're minding their business. And then we look a man or we look a husband, pick up them damn blasted self and gone out there. Go and look them. Go and disturb them. And when they catch feelings, now I want more. I want to come and mash up what they see you have. It's through hurt. I hurt them have. And I say, okay, them mean for do it. It's because maybe one time when I'm ready for left them, they say, no, you want to come and you just want to come and left me like that. And you just want to get up and go on with your life and first just sit down with a broken heart. No, I'm not take that. And uno man, if you understand that. You see, the sooner you understand these things, and the better it will be for you and your family. Why I got involved in this story now, why I'm talking about this. Wally British. Wally British, she's very close friends to the Carters, to the wife and to the husband. And she knew about this affair. She said that she didn't believe it was her place to tell the wife of the affair. I respect that. I remembered last year or the year before I did a video where I said, you know, if your best friend or your friend, you know, if you find out that their husband is cheating on her, would you tell your best friend or your friend? Do you remember that video? You know, many people said that they wouldn't. And you had a lot of people who also said that they would. I said that I would. You understand? Because my friendships, they are not look up friendship. These are solid friendships. And I might not come out and tell you everything, right? But I'm going to drop hints and little breadcrumbs so that you start thinking. So maybe you can start asking your husband questions. Certain little things. You understand? That means if anything busts out, you can say, oh, maybe that's why she didn't ask me this, and maybe so she can say, okay, me didn't know. I never tell her nothing. So that's why I said, that is me. Everybody is different. And I respect the fact that Wally knew and she didn't say anything because that's how she is. And I respect that. You understand? What I do not respect, Wally, is that the same girl that was having an affair with the husband, you had her living in your house. I don't respect that. That is not your problem. If she doesn't have anywhere to go, that is not my problem. How did you know about this young lady? It was through, wasn't it through the husband, your friend? Yeah? That's how you knew about this person. You even tried to encourage her to stop thinking about him. You know, for her to move on with her life because he's got his family and stuff like that. You had the same girl at your house, eating, drinking at your house. Huh? Apparently you even threatened her not to tell, you know, not to say anything or anything. You should never have invited this young lady nowhere close to you. She's got a green card. She's not undocumented. There are shelters there. Make sure you go find somewhere go. Because as far as me concerned, me don't upset. Me upset and me cross. So she come in at the people them life. I said that my friend bring her into our lives. For me to have to keep my mouth shut. I am in a very, very difficult position. And then be in a difficult position, right? Me there at the edge of battle hole now and you come down and shove me right up in there. Huh? That is where I blame you, Wally. And that's the thing with you men. Sometimes you're doing your shit outside and you involve your friends and you put them in a difficult position where they are forced to keep your secret. They don't want to keep your secret and they're forced because of loyalty. One, she don't want to hurt the wife. She didn't want to hurt the wife and hurt the whole, you know, what you guys are building, your establishment, you know, your whole enterprise. You guys are a money-making machine. Right? You have a beautiful family and she see that and she never want to break that. And because of that, she was trying to be a loyal friend to you. All all the blame is on you, CMR, the husband. You, and you have to take accountability for this. You dragged Wally in it, right? And this poor young lady came and she fell in love, and you want to discard her now, and she come to the media and she talk. And she talk. Nobody should blame this young lady. Nobody should say, and all of you, under the behind time and behind bush. Me no know where you come from. You always get up and you want to blame the other woman. Never blame the other woman. Never blame the other woman. Yes, we say, okay, them come push up themselves, but there's something called self-control. I mean, no, say enough man, they don't have self-control when they think about it. They just can't control themselves. It's not really in their nature, but sometimes 3/4 of the time, 99.9% of the time, and the man go out, they go look them. Them go out, they go look them. So leave this young lady alone. I don't care what she is. Me no care what she do for a living. Leave her alone. You hear what I'm saying? Not all that glitters is gold. Stop seeing people's life and think say everything is hunky-dory. People have a life. I spoke about this. We talked about this already. People have a life behind the scenes. Right? Yes, you like what you see. You like what you see. Not all is what it seems. We are real people. We have real life. We have real life issues. Some we get along, some we not get along behind the scenes. It's just up to us what we decide to do. We decide to stay or we decide to go. What we are do? What kind of agreement we are going to come to? Once again, I judge no one when it comes down to married people. You have to decide for yourself what you want to do. Me have to decide for myself what I want. At the end of the day, it's my life. It's my happiness. It's my children. You hear what I'm saying? Leave the young lady alone. Leave that young lady alone. That young lady did nothing wrong. Nothing at all wrong. And I come on social media and I say, oh, she this, she that, she this, she that, she this, she that, she this, she that. Who cares? Who cares what she is? I know she married to Chrissy. I know she. So she not owe nobody no loyalty. She don't have a chick and she don't have a child. She not married. She's a single female. She's got nothing to lose. When you go out there and you pick up these young girls, know that when push comes to shove and they can't get what they want, they have nothing to lose. You are the one who's got all of it to lose. The wife, the children, the enterprise, the businesses, a nice, comfortable home. You are the one who have it to lose. And if you're standing outside in the cold, you have nobody to blame but yourself.